In a bold crackdown against noise pollution, Bhadrak police have launched a sweeping operation targeting bikes with illegal modified exhausts. Over 250 such modified silencers were seized during a month-long operation and publicly destroyed, flattening under a road roller to send a loud and clear message. The roaring noise of these altered bikes had become a menace across Bhadrak town, disturbing residents, especially during late hours. But the police were not just listening, they acted. Each offender was slapped with a hefty fine of Rs 10,000. The police made it clear, this is not just about vehicle modifications, but about maintaining public peace. The visual of crushed silencers drew wide attention and support. Locals praised this move, saying they finally have relief from the ear-splitting noise. Authorities have warned that similar drive will continue, urging vehicle owners to stick to the rules and avoid modifications that violate motor vehicle norms.
एसपी भद्रक निर्देश क्रमे जो मैंने भी मॉडिफाइड साइलेंसर यूज करथिले एवं जो मैंने शब्द प्रदूषण करुथिले तांको विरुद्ध रे विहित कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करिया पई आमे विहित कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण स्वरूप प्राय 250 रु अधिक साइलेंसर मॉडिफाइड साइलेंसर जब्त करिछु एवं आज ताकू डिस्ट्रॉय करिछु। आगामी दिन रे मध्ये एई अभियान हमर जारी रहइबो आ जो मैंने आगामी दिन रे मोबाइल रे कथा है कि गाड़ी चलाउछंती गाड़ी चलेला बेले मोबाइल रे कथा होचंती तांको विरुद्ध रे मध्ये विहित कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करा जिवो।
सर बड़ कथा होची जो नाबालक माने जो बुलेट चलाउछंती एवं सेमाने विकट शब्द करछंती तांको ऊपर से कोन एक्शन व्यवस्था करै
आपनकर जो मैंने मॉडिफाइड साइलेंसर यूज करूछंती सेति पई हमर फाइन रो अमाउंट रहउची प्राय 10,000 टंका पर्यंत रहउची।